Bill.
She warms up.
We're ready. I think William is a little less adventuresome than I am. You know, we were just going to play off each other for a while. I'm Mary Beth, and this is Joann Abrahamsen. Joann is Vice President and Co-Director of the International Center of Hypnosis, Incorporated, which trains professionals in the art and science of hypnosis. Joann was named Person of the Year by the Association to Advance Ethical Hypnosis. She holds numerous certifications from many national and international hypnosis organizations. As a recipient of the behaviorist Sela Award, she was inducted into the Hypnosis Hall of Fame in 1989 and has received many awards and certificates from notable organizations such as our NGH, the International Society of Professional Hypnosis, the Association to Advance Ethical Hypnosis, and the International Association of Counselors and Therapists. A graduate of Brooklyn College and the City University of New York with a bachelor's degree in sociology, Joann is a faculty member at the State University of New York at Purchase and Westchester Community College, where she developed and teaches hypnosis and self-improvement. Ms. Abrahamsen.
Mrs. is fine.
Okay, well, it says Ms.
I know,
right? Okay.
but my Mr. is there, and if it wasn't for the Mr., I wouldn't be here, so.
That was Mom and Dad, Joann.
No. He allowed me to take this training.
Ms. Abrahamsen is an immediate past Vice President of the Association to Advance Ethical Hypnosis and past President of its New York chapter. Now, this sure sounds like she deserved Person of the Year. What do you think? Let's welcome Joann.
Thank you. I'm sure glad to be here this weekend, and I love doing hypnosis. I absolutely love it. And I'm so glad all of you got up early this morning to be here. And this is going to be an experiential workshop. You always hear about the workshops that you come to, and you expect to learn how to do something. And you expect to practice it. How many people want to practice what they learned right here, right today? Okay. In my workshops, you get a chance to practice. My teaching is hands-on, literally and figuratively. I'm Italian, so you notice I like to work with my hands. Can you all hear me? Okay. I like to work with my hands a lot, and my clients know this. I know there's a school of thought that, oh, you don't touch your clients, but you shake hands with them, don't you? Okay? You say, hi, how you doing? Glad to see you. Okay? Some people don't want to shake hands with me anymore because they're afraid I'm going to go, sleep. But that's beside the point. Right, Stuart? So, I touch my clients and I know where they're at. So you'll see me doing a lot of that. Is there anybody in this class who doesn't want me to touch them? Okay? Is there anybody here who feels uncomfortable with, we're all friends here, right? We're all friends? Right. Is there anybody here who